Welcome, evergreen traders and investors. This is JC De Guzman. Welcome to our EquiTalks episode number 50. In this episode, I'll be discussing my analysis and giving my recommendation for Cosco Capital Incorporated with a stock code of Cosco. The question that I'm going to answer in this episode is, should you buy Costco now or it's better that you wait near 6 pesos and 40 centavos? Now allow me first to give you my analysis based on my evergreen strategy so that when I give you the answer to that question, you know clearly what I saw, that made me give that data-driven recommendation. So let's proceed with the analysis, shall we? Without further ado, Costco closed today, December 13, 2019, Friday at 6 pesos and 70 centavos. It's a red, tall candlestick, and unfortunately, it already dove below the 10 SMA. MACD also continues to move below, away from the signal line. That that already means that we got a bearish 10 MACD combo. The immediate support is at 6.4. The immediate resistance is at 7.2. Foreign investors registered a net foreign selling worth 4 million pesos. The historical volatility score of Costco is at 35 points, which means or which classifies Costco as a low risk level, low risk stock. But it doesn't mean that you should buy it just because it has a low risk level. There are so many downtrending stocks that have a low risk level based on their historical volatility, but they don't have a confirmed buy signal yet. One example is Costco. And looking at the DMI chart here, even though, no, not even though, the negative DMI is still hovering the positive DMI, and I am not yet seeing a formation of a bullish convergence between these two lines. So at this point, the advantage is still with the bear, so to speak, based on the DMI chart. Costco got a total turnover value of 25 million pesos today. Foreign traders were the main drivers of Costco today, and today they registered a net foreign selling worth 4 million pesos. And for the entire year to date, they are net sellers. But according to our findings, there's nothing to worry much about it, because even if they are net sellers year to date, their participation is not that sizable. Okay, now let's move on to the trade and volume distribution analysis. The last price of 6.7 is lower than the volume weighted average price of 6.71. That's already another point for the bears, and that alone is more than enough for me to say that we got a bearish momentum power indicator. Mind you, based on my evergreen strategy, for us to have a confirmed buy signal, the 10 MACD and the momentum power indicator must be bullish. Both of them, not just either of the two. Both of them must be bullish. And that did not happen today. Besides, the dominant range of 6.7 to 6.71 is closer to the intraday low than the intraday high, and that just adds more pain to the wound, so to speak. For the true market sentiment for today, it's neutral. For a week to date, it's also neutral, but for the month to date, it's bullish. Now, the question is, should we buy Costco because it has a bullish true market sentiment month to date, or we should snub or ignore that since the 10 MACD and the momentum power indicator are both bullish? Of course, the answer is this. Now, we are already on the recommendation part. Here's my answer. There's zero confirmed buy signal. Whether you already have Costco or you are yet to have it, there's zero confirmed buy signal. That means you should not buy Costco. Now, specifically, what if you have Costco? What's my recommendation then, aside from not buying it? If you're not going to buy it, should you just hold your position or sell it? The answer to that is also a question. It's also a question. What question is it then? Is your trailing stop already hit? If the answer is a no, then it's either you hold your position or you reduce the percentage of risk applied in your trailing stop. That's the answer. But never average down. Don't top up. Because there's zero confirmed buy signal. I can't say that enough. Okay, so don't buy it yet. Don't average down. Now, to know more about the details on what make us decide to hold, to buy, not to buy, or to sell, or to reduce the percentage of risk in our trailing stop, I would recommend that you subscribe to our Evergreen Strategy in Trading and Investing the Philippine Stock Market video on demand. We also call this one as an online stock market course or an online stock market seminar. There are 6 lessons that you will learn from this video on demand version of my in-person seminar. And you will learn more about those 6 lessons in details on our website at www.equilyst.com, and then you click on the course menu or course page upon visiting our website. You will learn the exact same lessons that you would learn in my in-person seminar, but this one is a better option. Why? What makes it better? Well, you can replay the videos, whereas in an in-person seminar, there's no video that will be provided to you. So there's nothing that you can replay after attending the seminar aside from reviewing your notes. So another advantage is that you don't have to travel, you don't have to experience traffic getting to the venue. You just simply have to play the video on the internet online after logging into your account. That's how easy it is here. And in addition to that, you can also learn at your own pace, at your own space, at your own time. So try it. Visit www.equilyst.com and then click on the course menu or course page on our website. Alright, so now if you are planning to enter a new position to do a test buy, I suggest to postpone that plan. Add Cosco in your watch list if you are really attracted to this stock, but don't add it yet into your portfolio. Okay? Request, if you are one of our subscribers, request for this stock's latest trade and volume distribution analysis in our private clients forum so that we can tell you if we are already seeing confirmed buy signal or not yet. Okay? And speaking of our subscription service, what do you get when you subscribe? When you try our subscription service? By the way, this is a separate service from our online stock market course. It's a separate service. So again, what do you get when you subscribe? First, you will get access to our investment guide for long-term investors. Secondly, you will get access to our daily video with 10 trade setups for short-term trading purposes. That's daily. Number 3, you will get access to our private clients forum where you can ask us about a specific stock or anything about the stock market, even as trading happens. Number 4, you will have access to our study room in our private clients forum. What is that study room for? You can submit your analysis so that we can check if your understanding and implementation of our evergreen strategy is already aligned with ours. We will grade you. And once your analysis is already aligned with how we do our analysis and how we interpret numbers and charts, then we're going to upload it, post it as an article on our website with your photo on it, with your biography, and with your affiliate link, which leads me to the fifth benefit of subscribing. What's number 5? You will get 20% commission whenever someone subscribes through your affiliate link. So imagine having your article published on our website. Of course, I know it. I knew it. You're going to share that article because you're proud that your photo is in it. Your biography is in it as well. So when you share that article on social media or via email to your friends or colleagues, whoever, when they subscribe through your affiliate link because they have seen how much you've improved, not only with the way you analyze but also with the actual trades that you mentioned in your article, then they will be more than likely to subscribe as well because they are seeing the improvements with the way you interpret numbers, charts, and with what has been happening in your portfolio. So when they subscribe through your affiliate link, you get 20% cut. You get your 20% commission from whatever they will pay, okay? Whenever they subscribe. And number 6, when you subscribe, you will get a free account, free online stockbrokers account with First Metro Securities. And not only that, you will also get a 2-month free access to First Metrosec Pro. It's regarded as the most advanced online stock trading platform in the Philippines today. And to learn more about the details of those inclusions that I have just mentioned, please visit our website at www.equilyst.com and then click on the subscribe page or subscribe menu. So, and by the way, let me invite you to follow us on all of our social media accounts. If you are listening to this podcast in SoundCloud or if you're watching this video on YouTube, you will see in the description below links to our social media accounts. Follow us because sometimes we hold some contests. We have some giveaways on certain social media accounts, and it's fun. It's a lot of fun to follow us. Besides, you will be the first to be notified whenever we publish a new EquiTalks episode when you follow us on our social media accounts. And lastly, uh, subscribe to our free newsletter. Go to our website at www.equilyst.com, click on resources, and then click on learn. You will then see this yellow-orange button. Click it, and then you will then have to sign up. Don't forget to confirm your registration so that our system can send you an automated email every time we publish a new EquiTalks episode. Again, don't just sign up. Remember to check your inbox or check your spam or junk folder if it's nowhere to be found in your inbox and confirm your registration. Okay? So there you go. Thank you for listening or watching this EquiTalks episode number 50. My name is JC De Guzman. Always remember, be evergreen.